Hey knowledge seekers, welcome back to Mindful Mentors 12, your hub for transformative education. Today we are diving into financial freedom through health savings plans. Invest in 2025. Imagine saving for healthcare while building wealth tax-free, all on autopilot. In this video, we will share 10 actionable strategies to use health savings accounts and other medical plans to secure your financial future stress-free. Ready to invest in your health and wealth? Grab a notebook and let us get started. Subscribe and ring the bell for more wealth-building knowledge. In 2025, health savings plans are a secret weapon for financial freedom. Let us explore how to use them to save, invest, and thrive. Strategy 1. Understand health savings accounts, or HSAs. Let us start with the basics of this wealth-building tool. HSAs let you save for medical expenses with triple tax benefits: tax-deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified expenses. In 2025, you can contribute up to $4,300 for individuals or $8,550 for families. Research shows HSAs can save you over $2,000 annually in taxes if maxed out. Check if your employer offers an HSA-eligible high-deductible health plan. New to HSAs? Drop your questions in the comments, and check the description for an HSA guide. Strategy 2. Choose the best HSA provider. Pick the right platform for your 2025 wealth goals. Providers like Fidelity, Health Equity, and HSA Bank offer HSAs with low fees and investment options. Fidelity's HSA, for example, has no account fees and lets you invest in exchange-traded funds or mutual funds. In 2025, HSA providers integrate artificial intelligence to suggest investment strategies. Research platforms on X's hashtag HSA2025 for user reviews to find the best fit. Which HSA provider are you considering? Share in the comments and grab our top provider list below. Strategy 3. Maximize HSA contributions. Supercharge your savings in 2025. Contribute the maximum allowed: $4,300 for individuals or $8,550 for families in 2025. If you are 55 or older, add a $1,000 catch-up contribution. Automate monthly deposits to spread the cost. Research shows maxing out HSAs can build a nest egg of over $100,000 over 20 years thanks to tax-free growth. Start with what you can afford, even $50 per month. Contributing to an HSA? Tell us your plan below. Strategy 4. Invest HSA funds for growth. Turn your HSA into a wealth engine in 2025. Unlike regular savings accounts, HSAs let you invest in stocks, exchange-traded funds, or mutual funds. In 2025, providers like Fidelity offer low-cost exchange-traded funds with 7 to 10% average annual returns. Keep some cash for near-term medical needs, but invest the rest for long-term growth. Research shows invested HSAs can grow 5 times faster than cash-only accounts. Investing your HSA? Share your strategy in the comments. Strategy 5. Use HSAs for qualified expenses. Save tax-free on healthcare in 2025. HSAs cover doctor visits, prescriptions, dental, and even over-the-counter medications in 2025. Save receipts to reimburse yourself tax-free later, letting your HSA grow. Research shows HSA users save $500 to $1,000 annually on medical costs. Check irs.gov or X's hashtag HSA expenses for updated eligible expense lists. Using your HSA for medical costs? Drop your tips below. Strategy 6. Pair HSAs with other tax-advantaged plans. Amplify your wealth in 2025. Combine HSAs with 401k plans or Roth individual retirement accounts for maximum tax savings. In 2025, contribute to your HSA first for its triple tax benefits, then max out other plans. Research shows pairing accounts can cut your tax bill by 20%. Use artificial intelligence tools like Wealthfront to optimize contributions across accounts. Pairing HSAs with other plans? Share your approach in the comments. Strategy 7. Plan for retirement with HSAs. Make your HSA a retirement powerhouse in 2025. After age 65, HSAs can be used like a 401k, with penalty-free withdrawals for non-medical expenses. Taxes apply. In 2025, invest your HSA in diversified funds for long-term growth. Research shows HSAs can cover 50% of retiree medical costs, saving over $100,000. Treat it like a second retirement account. Strategy 8. Automate HSA savings and investments. Set up automatic contributions and investments through your HSA provider's app. In 2025, Artificial intelligence tools like Health Equity's robo-advisor suggest optimal investment allocations. Automation reduces stress and ensures consistency. Research shows automated savers contribute 30% more annually than manual savers. Automating your HSA? Share your setup in the comments. Strategy 9. Stay safe with HSA security. Protect your wealth in 2025's digital world. HSA providers use bank-level encryption, but enable two-factor authentication and strong passwords. In 2025, apps like Fidelity offer real-time fraud alerts. Check X's hashtag HSA security for user tips on avoiding scams. Never share login details, and review account statements monthly for peace of mind. Strategy 10. Join HSA communities. Learn from others to maximize your HSA in 2025. Join communities on X, Reddit's R Personal Finance, or HSA-focused Discord groups to share tips and learn strategies. In 2025, providers like Health Equity host virtual HSA webinars. Engaging with others boosts your knowledge. Research shows community learners improve financial outcomes by 10%. Let us recap. From maximizing HSA contributions to joining communities, these 10 strategies turn health savings plans into a wealth-building powerhouse for financial freedom in 2025. Start saving and investing today. Which strategy are you trying first? Share in the comments. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more knowledge-packed videos. Hit the bell for weekly updates, and check the links below for our HSA guide, X handle, and top providers for 2025. Thanks for watching, knowledge seekers. We will see you in the next video. Credits. Written and narrated by Mindful Mentors 12.